Welcome to Friday Drift Tips. Today we're reviewing a new product that we found in Autobarn. So, checking, well, as you can see, my R34 headlights aren't doing too great. I restored these a year ago with another cheap restore kit and it's starting to fail again. So, today we're going to try this out. Hopefully it's as good as they say. Rustoleum stuff's pretty good. So, this will be first of our like semi-product review type episodes. Friday Drift Tip. It'll be interesting. We'll see how it goes. Anyways, as you can see, I've already taped my headlights up so you don't scratch my already scratched up bumper bar. But yeah, let's get into it, shall we? As you can see, it's a very simple kit. It's got a little sanding pad and polishing pad built into one here, set of gloves and a microfiber cloth to dry your headlights off. And it's got the restoring formula stuff in a little sealed plastic baggie. So, should be interesting. Hopefully it's as good. Start things off, you take the green side of the pad, you get some water, and you basically wet your headlight down and start trying to get rid of all the oxidization off with the little pad thing they provide.
You can already see you
can see how terrible my headlights are.
Yeah. So when do you stop?
So basically you just keep repeating this until all the brown stuff stops sanding off apparently, and we move on. As you can see, it's all starting to finally stop coming off brown. It's starting to come back a little bit clearer. So I think we're pretty much at the halfway point now. So we'll
for the sanding.
Oh, for the sanding anyway. So we'll keep going.
How long have you been doing it so far, you reckon?
Like 3 or 4 minutes. It says sand until the residue coming off the headlight is no longer brown. As you can see, it's all coming up sort of like a cleary white colour. So this is where we'll stop and we'll start cleaning it up and get ready to start polishing it. As you can see, we've done all the polishing with the green pad and it's come up nice and like hazy. So now the next part is you take the grey side of the pad and you re-wet your headlight and go again until it starts coming up real clear because it's a super fine pad.
Okay.
So let's get that started.
When do you have to stop doing it this way?
As soon as your headlight starts coming clear with water over it, that's when you stop and you start with the next step. Sweet. So we've just finished polishing it up with the grey pad now. As you can see, it's a sort of clear haze. And now when you pour water over it, it's nice and clear, nice and see-through. None of the haziness through it anymore. So next comes the step of grabbing your microfiber cloth, drying your headlights out thoroughly, and then we'll move on to the treatment headlights, and we'll start applying the treatment, I don't know, headlight restore treatment.
Probably make sure you dry above it so you don't get any water droplets dropping down onto it too.
Yeah, or if you're like me, cry when you have eyelids that hide water.
Give them a tap.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. Probably just keep giving it a tap, I reckon. Make sure that's all out of there.
Or if you're lucky and you have compressed air.
Well, I do, but tough.
Alright, now that we've dried the headlights off, we'll get to open up our little headlight treatment restore stuff and apply it. That smells funky. So you get your little white cloth, do a single pass run over each part of the headlight.
Wow. That's nuts. Don't get any on your paint.
Lucky I'm painting my bumpers.
just say that you should probably mask this up.
It's a drift car, don't you? Sweet. And there you have it.
Wow.
What a difference.
That actually does make a big difference. So what do you think? Do you have to wipe it off or anything after that?
No, you just leave it, let it set. They recommend 24 hours. Whether you do or not is up to you.
For what? 24?
To let it dry for 24 hours. And yeah, basically you don't have to touch it after this.
It is definitely a lot clearer. The light isn't helping, but it's definitely a lot less yellow.
Yeah, let's do one little pass over the middle. There we go.
So, final thoughts?
Final thoughts. I'm impressed. We'll see how long this lasts.
Oh, it does smell funky. Jeez.
Yeah, it does, eh?
Wow. Yeah, you can really see. That makes a huge difference. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Cool. So, recommend?
Do recommend. Hopefully this lasts more than 6 months like my last headlight kit, but yeah, for $30 you can't really go wrong on a drift car. So, thanks for watching. Catch us next Friday for Friday Drift Tips, and look out for the podcast.